Have you ever wondered how to lead a more balanced and virtuous life? How to find inner serenity and cultivate self-sufficiency? If yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here, we dive deep into historical philosophy to help you achieve a fulfilling and meaningful life. Today, let's explore the realm of self-awareness and wisdom as we delve into. Join us on a journey of introspection and discovery as we unravel the timeless wisdom enveloped in the teachings of Stoic philosophy. The 10 signs that indicate you possess a historical personality. Historical philosophy, which has been practiced for over 2,000 years, continues to shed light on our lives with its timeless teachings. This unique approach underscores the significance of discovering inner tranquility, nurturing self-reliance, and aligning with our core values. In this short video, we'll analyze how historical principles can assist you in facing life's challenges, finding happiness, and building emotional resilience. The term resilience, derived from the Latin resilio, meaning to bounce back, pertains to an individual's ability to endure adverse situations like financial loss or health issues. A person with a historical personality can handle such situations calmly and rationally, seeking solutions and adapting to circumstances. They view these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than being defeated by them. Furthermore, they might intentionally subject themselves to discomfort, temporarily foregoing certain things to better appreciate them. This practice serves as a reminder that they can survive without these things, making them the master of their own feelings and emotions. Before we delve into the other characteristics of a historical personality, allow me to make a quick request. This video was created to help you become a better person, and it took several hours to complete. Your contribution is simple and inexpensive. Just subscribe to our channel, leave a like or a brief comment on this video. This small action encourages us to continue working towards your personal growth. Now let's discuss the first characteristic: resilience. Now, moving on to the next quality, self-control. The term self-control, from the Latin enkratia, conveys the power over oneself or self-mastery. It stems from the Latin word dominium, meaning ownership or legal possession of something. In historical philosophy, enkratia refers to the ability to manage one's own emotions and impulses, a cornerstone principle of historical philosophy. This ability involves regulating emotions and responses to avoid being dominated by impulses. For instance, in situations of conflict or stress, like heated arguments or tight deadlines, someone with a historical personality can maintain composure and serenity. They can steer clear of impulsive or aggressive reactions, instead focusing on finding solutions and addressing the situation with rational equilibrium. Acceptance is crucial among Stoics. They embrace unchangeable circumstances as they are. Acceptance is one of the fundamental historical principles. It pertains to the ability to acknowledge things as they are and not be disturbed by external events beyond our control. For instance, a Stoic individual may exhibit acceptance during sudden changes or losses, like bankruptcy, relationship endings, or job terminations. Viewing these situations as part of life's journey and seeking to learn from them, they direct their attention towards what they can control, how they react and respond, rather than dwelling on uncontrollable aspects. Additionally, they may practice gratitude and cherish life's simple pleasures, cultivating contentment and acceptance. Developing the capacity to handle difficult situations with equanimity is rooted in the Latin term equanimitas, meaning an unchanging temperament. It's about maintaining calm and serenity in all situations, avoiding being swayed by emotional ups and downs. This quality is evident in moments of self-induced stress or pressure, such as emergencies. Someone with a historical personality can retain composure and serenity in such situations, avoiding impulsive or emotional reactions, focusing on finding solutions and addressing the situation rationally and balancedly, despite emotional impulses and the heat of the moment. Music. The Stoics hold a strong emphasis on the present moment, valuing it and concentrating on making the best of what's available. In modern times, this quality can be observed in situations of distraction or procrastination, like excessive use of social media or lack of motivation to accomplish important tasks. A person with a historical personality directs their attention to the present moment and what needs to be done now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. They set realistic goals and work towards them without getting sidetracked by insignificant matters. Self-sufficiency is a cornerstone of historical philosophy. It emphasizes finding happiness within oneself rather than relying on external circumstances. A modern example of someone exercising self-sufficiency is evident in the pursuit of happiness or personal fulfillment, like searching for a new job or pursuing a meaningful relationship. A person with a historical personality can find happiness within themselves by nurturing virtues and personal values. Instead of depending on factors beyond their control, they channel their energy into developing skills and talents rather than seeking approval or validation from others. Additionally, they may engage in psychotherapeutic activities or other self-awareness techniques to further enhance their self-sufficiency. Prudence, a fundamental principle of historical philosophy, involves exercising caution in actions and decisions, considering their long-term consequences. This quality is particularly relevant when making significant choices, like deciding on a new job or purchasing a home. A person with a historical personality thoughtfully evaluates available options, assessing the long-term implications of each choice, seeking guidance from reliable sources and experts rather than acting impulsively or being driven by emotions. Moreover, they may practice meditation or other self-awareness techniques to further refine their prudence. A practical example of prudence can be seen in an investor evaluating stock purchases. They meticulously consider available financial information, assess the company's history, and factor in market trends before making an investment decision. Seeking advice from investment experts and carefully weighing the risks and benefits of each option before making a choice. By doing so, they cultivate emotional resilience and make better decisions, avoiding impulsive choices driven by emotions. Gratitude is deeply valued by historical thinkers. They appreciate life's simple pleasures and nurture a sense of gratitude for small joys and achievements. An example of someone practicing gratitude today could be found in everyday occurrences, like witnessing a beautiful sunset or relishing a delicious meal. A person with a historical personality values these small pleasures, focusing on the positives in life rather than dwelling on what they lack. Embracing meditation or mindfulness techniques to further enhance their capacity for gratitude. Humility is another significant quality among historical thinkers. They acknowledge their limitations and don't consider themselves superior to others. Humility involves recognizing one's own boundaries and not assuming a position of superiority. This humility is evident in moments of success or recognition, such as job promotions or awards. A person with a historical personality understands that success is the result of a blend of factors, including hard work, opportunities, and luck. They esteem teamwork, valuing others' contributions, and recognizing that collective effort contributes to success. Acknowledging others' contributions and understanding their own limitations. Empathy is a skill deeply embedded in a historical personality. They can place themselves in others' shoes and comprehend their perspectives and emotions. A relatable example might involve a situation of conflict or disagreement, like a heated discussion. A person with a historical personality strives to grasp the other person's viewpoint, listens attentively to their concerns, and shows compassion and understanding. This empathetic approach guides their everyday interactions, prompting them to pause and consider others' viewpoints before forming judgments or taking actions. If you've made it this far, you've already become a slightly better person. And if you enjoyed this video, just wait until you learn about the remarkable life journey of Epictetus, a slave born around 55 AD who became one of the greatest historical philosophers of his time, influencing minds like Emperor Hadrian and Marcus Aurelius.